it's Miss Rika, and I'm here with another video. In this video, I am actually going to do another problem, possibly two more problems from the Assignment 2, Scale Factors, Real World Word Problems. This is the 7th graders Assignment 2, due Friday at 4 p.m. Please email me a comment below with questions, concerns, and if you are unable to get it done by Friday, just please give me a heads up. I understand that there's other things going on in your life. I just like a little email. I am going to do 2 and 3 to help you guys, which means that I am going to practically do the half of the assignment for you. So we did one already in another video. Let's look at question 2. John, an architect, used a scale factor of 1 inch equals 20 feet. I'm going to underline that because that is very important. That is our scale factor. So we can use that to set up a proportion to design a site plan. He is creating a car park. I think he means by car park like a parking lot or one of those like multi-story parking lots. The actual car park has been designed to be 18 feet long. Determine the length of the car park as depicted in the blueprint. So all I need to do is find the length of the car park in the blueprint. I know that 1 inch, I'm going to set up my proportions, 1 inch is equal to 20 feet. So I'm setting that up, equals, and then remember, if inches are in the numerator, inches have to be in the numerator over here, and if feet are in the denominator, feet have to be over here. And then it's 18 feet, and then X inches. So to go from 20 to 18, I'm going down. So I'm multiplying it by a number less than 1, because multiplying by a number greater than 1 would mean this amount would be greater than 20, but multiplying by an amount less than 1 means it would be less, just as it is. And to solve that, all I have to do is 18 divided by 20. So I'm multiplying by 0.9 because 20 times 0.9, oh, whoops, I put that in. 20 times 0.9 equals 18. So that is my scale factor. My scale factor is 0.9 or 9/10. And if I multiply the denominator by 0.9, I need to multiply the numerator by 0.9. And 1 times 0.9, any number times 1 is that number. So 0.9 times 1 is 0.9. So X equals 0.9 inches. So on our blueprint, John would have 0.9 inches for the length on the blueprint, and based on the scale factor, we know that 1 inch is 20 feet, so that 0.9 inches would be 18 feet in the real car park. I'm going to do question 3. Laura made a scale drawing of a famous monument. She used a scale factor of 1 inch equals 1.6 feet. Again, here is our scale factor. Please underline it. It's the most important thing because it helps us set up our proportion. 1 inch, 1.6 feet, or I know you're screaming 1 6/10 feet. So I set up my proportion. If the height of the monument in the drawings is 17.4 inches or 17 4/10 inches, compute the actual height of the monument. Well, now I can just fill in the rest of my proportion and solve. So 1 inch is equal to 1.6 feet or 1 6/10 feet. Therefore, inches and inches. So I put the inches right here, 17.4 inches and X feet. Well, to go from 1 inch to 17 4/10 inches, I'm multiplying by an amount. Scale factor is always multiplying. So 1 times what equals 17 4/10? Well, any number times 1 is itself. So 1 times 17 4/10. 1 times 17 4/10 equals 17 4/10. And if I'm multiplying by 17 4/10 in the numerator, I need to do that in the denominator, so I multiply it by 17 4/10. So 1.6 feet, 1.6 times 7, oh, I didn't put that in right, sorry. 1.6 times 17.4 equals 27 and 84 hundredths. feet. So that is the height of the monument. That is the actual height of the monument. I hope this is helpful. I think the most important thing to do when solving word problems like this is please underline the scale factor. So in question 3, the scale factor was 1 inch equals 1.6 feet. And then set up the proportion like I did. 1 inch over 1.6 feet, and then I can fill in the other side of the proportion easily. If inches are in the numerator, inches have to be in the numerator on the other side of the proportion. If feet are in the denominator, feet have to be in the denominator on the other side. Once I know that, it's really easy to fill in. So it's 1 inch over 1.6 feet equals, okay, I have 17.4 inches. That means 17.4 goes in to the numerator on the other side of the proportion, and then I'm going to put a variable like x to find the feet, and then I can solve. I hope this is helpful. Comment below with questions or concerns. Remember, commenting gives you participation credit for the week. Please comment with questions or concerns. Thanks.